If you are thinking about selling your home, you have probably wondered if you still need to pay a buyer agent commission or even a listing agent commission at all. With all the changes in the real estate industry lately, it is a smart time to rethink how much you pay and how much you can keep. Let's get right to the big question. Can you still sell a home without paying a buyer agent commission? The answer is yes, and it gets even better. You can skip the listing agent commission too and still sell successfully. Here is how it used to work. Traditionally, agents operated on a 5 to 6% total commission. That meant about 3% went to your listing agent and another 3% to the buyer's agent. And the seller paid both. On a $600,000 home, that could mean $36,000 in commissions, gone the moment you close. But things have changed. Thanks to new industry rules and the NAR settlement, commissions are no longer set in stone. Sellers do not have to offer a buyer agent commission through the MLS. Buyer agents now negotiate their own fees directly with their clients, the buyers. And as the seller, you can choose whether to work with a listing agent at all. So you are not required to pay anyone a commission unless you want to. Many buyers today are shopping without agents or are willing to cover their own agent's fee. Some will negotiate directly with you as the seller. If a buyer does want you to cover their agent's fee, you can always negotiate, accept, decline, or counter. The choice is yours. But here is where you can really save. Even if you decide to offer a small buyer agent fee to attract more interest, you can still avoid the entire listing agent commission. That is where FSBO or for sale by owner comes in, and where List Lien can help. If you are comfortable handling some parts of the sale yourself, you can set your own price, respond to buyer inquiries, show the home on your schedule, and negotiate directly. You stay in control and skip the 3% listing commission. List Lien makes this process even easier. For a flat one-time fee, you get a professional listing, step-by-step guidance on disclosures and forms, and support when you need it, without giving up any of your equity to commission. Optional add-ons like contract review or transaction coordination are there if you want them, but there is no pressure and no percentage cut. Some sellers still choose to offer a small buyer agent commission to attract more buyers, especially in slower markets. You can offer a flat fee, a reduced percentage, or nothing at all. It is completely up to you. So, can you still sell a home without paying buyer agent commission? Absolutely. And you can skip the listing agent commission too. Thanks to new rules and flexible, flat fee options like List Lien, you have more control and more money at closing. Want to keep more of your equity? Visit listlien.com to learn more and start your FSBO journey today.